You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this fashion brand. If you want to learn how to pronounce the actual name of the designer, Alexandre, in French, from French, stay tuned. Ami, yes, not Amy, Ami, which I believe is short for his full name, which I've got another video if you want to learn his full name. Ami, it also means friends, friend in French. Ami, Paris. Yes, as you know, in French, the S is silent to Paris. But it'd be fine to say Ami Paris, but Ami Paris. Ami Paris from French, Ami Paris. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.